Hey guys, it's Reagan and Maya, and today we're going to be doing my iPhone case collection, and we'll show you Reagan's case too.
We can't because my phone is ready.
Oh yeah, well she has a case. Anyway.
You'll see it it's in my Christmas video. That's
Yeah.
my case.
So my first case, well I'm doing like all my cases. So the first case I have is my iPad case. Oh, that hurt. It just cut me. It's blue, and it's from iHome. My brother gave me this case, so I think he got it at Best Buy, but yeah. And then I got this one from Best Buy for $37, and it's mint and purple, and it's switchable.
Reversible.
Yeah. And then this one was for when I had my Kindle. It was just black, and then I stuck like stickers on it. So yeah, that was for when I had my Kindle, and I got this at Best Buy for something money. I don't know, I can't remember, it was a long time ago. And then for when I had my iPhone 4, I had this case that was like the beach with an anchor and a heart, and it says love. Then I had a purple waterproof case. Then I had this whale case that's like bendy.
Flimsy.
And if you put it on, you can stick things through its mouth. Yeah.
Like money.
And then my next one, I really like this case. I almost always had it on my phone. It was this water one, and it had two dolphins. This is really fun to play with. Even though I don't have that phone anymore, I still play with it. And then what's on my phone that's a 5S right now? This case, and it's
You have a pop socket on it.
yeah, I have a pop socket on it right now, and it's a water one, and it says good vibes, and it's just navy and white stripes. And I got this from Hastings for $6. And these next two came in a packet. This was like my first two cases I got. They were at Amazon. They were $5 together. So there's a watermelon one and a triangle one that has a whole bunch of different shapes. And those were a pack. And then my mom used to have a 5, like when it first came out. And I got her this case when she got her phone for her birthday or something. And it has like all the things of Hawaii when we lived there. And so I like this a lot. It looks good with my pop socket too. And then I got this one from Hastings also. That's white with gold polka dots. And the sign, that sign came off of it, but it's just white with gold polka dots. And then I got this panda one that was actually supposed to be for my brother, but I didn't know that had a panda on the back. And it's a 2-piece. It snaps together. Yeah. And then I have another case.
It's a zero.
It's like, okay, so this one, on this, from Hastings, this part comes out. And it was like that, but this was pink, and then it was white, and it had a whole bunch of gold zebras on it. But I can't find it. But yeah, that was not the case. And then I just ordered a case that is a goat case, and if you don't know what that is, it's like a sticky case that has a whole bunch of suction cups, and it sticks to the wall, or like windows or mirrors and stuff. So yeah, we're going to be doing like an unboxing video.
If it comes today while I'm here.
Well, it said it's guaranteed to come today. So yeah, we're going to go look for that, and then if I get it today, then we'll do like an unboxing video within this video. So yeah. We'll see you guys then.
Oh the heck. That's going in our video.
Oh.
So Maya just got her thing
From the UPS thing.
like a minute ago. Oh,
That's my sister. That's my brother.
His man
No, that's my
bun.
brother, but he's wearing a man phone.
And that's my sister.
Came in another package. Okay, bye guys. You can ride it, just not here. Bye. Okay.
Damn.
It came in another package, right? I don't know how to open this one. Wait.
Just lift it up so you can see it. This is the one I got. It's a sticky one that I already showed you. And it's all black. That's the one I wanted. It's cold. You can like look, you can see. You probably can't see Been
it,
in the
but-
UPS truck.
Yeah. I feel like it's not gonna work. But I've watched videos on it. Okay. I am taking off this one.
Gonna put it on.
Feel it.
It's like, wait.
It's like really smooth.
Since it's cold, you can see like.
It might not work because it's so cold. It's freezing. And my mom texting me. If I can get it in. Well, there's
Okay,
that. I'm gonna wait
let's-
for it to warm up. I like it on there. I think it looks cool. See, my mom texted me. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna wait for this to warm up, and then yeah, we'll see you then.
Okay, guys, this is the first attempt.
See, it won't. It's too cold. Or maybe the window's too cold. Fill the window.
Put it.
Okay, so the reason it doesn't work is because there's a plastic covering on it. I was so disappointed. Okay, here we go. I was so sad. I was so, oh look, watch, this is so cool. That's cool.
Fill it. Whoa. Okay.
That is so, I am like really happy that, wow, next time I'm gonna
Here,
look
take it
for
off
the-
the fridge. Put it on the wall.
Okay, so we're in the grocery store by ourselves right now. It's right here, I think, because we had to go. We have to get some stuff, but yeah,
we split up.
yeah. So my brother and her sister are, and my little brother are going in Walmart. No, it's over here. And then we had to come to this store. We have to get milk and bread. So yeah. Ew. So we just got the milk, and we also got.
drinks on the way because why not? Cadbury eggs.
I have some of those at my house, except for.
My hair is cold.
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
I don't care. So, yeah, we got our milk, our bread, our drinks,
Oh,
and
Valentine's aisle.
okay, now we're going down the Valentine's aisle. So yeah. Okay, so we just finished. We got our bags,
Okay.
and Reagan's calling her sister
Okay. Bye.
because they went to Walmart, so we're waiting for them.
They're checking out right now.
Yeah, so we're just gonna wait for them to come pick us up. Yeah, we just went through the self-checkout, which is over there. Okay, now we're just waiting for, ow, this is hurting my arm. Now we're waiting for our ride. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video.
She's using her goat case.
Yeah, it's sticking to the window.
It's very tall.
Yeah, so we will see you guys next week, and please like this video.
And subscribe. We've got a lot of subscribers lately. That's a good thing.
So please subscribe and keep subscribing. I don't know. Anyway, hope you guys like this video. Bye.